Assalamualaikum and hi. For this video, I will explain my progress for this week. So I will start for my writing, which is for chapter 3. So we go through to the chapter 3. Basically, for chapter 3, I do for research methodology. So for overview, I write about my project in a simple word. And first, for this my block diagram, which is the whole process of my project. Have a power supply, ultrasonic sensor, TXP 826001 as a Wi-Fi module, Arduino Nano, and connect to LED and buzzer. Next, we go through to the project flowchart. So basically, this flowchart will explain about the whole process for my project. Basically, we start with ultrasonic sensor, measure water in water tank. Inputs go to Arduino Nano, calculate the water level. If the water level low, we'll go back into the first part, and then if yes, the buzzer and LED is on, and then it's end. For IoT part, this is for IoT part, which is after calculate the water level, we go to the connect to Wi-Fi using not MCU, which is a EXP 826001. So if the connection success, so we go to the send data to the Blink server, and then Blink server will send and the user will have their data on their Blink application. So for the next part is hardware development. This my hardware connection, which is this is ultrasonic sensor. This is Arduino Nano. This is buzzer, and this is not MCU, and this is 4 LED for indicator for my water level, and this is regulator. So basically, these are connection, and by the way, they have a resistor. Say this my connection, and then these are all components that I use for this project. After that, I explain a more detail on this part, which is Arduino Nano, what the function they are used, spec of the Arduino Nano, and what the pin configuration of the Arduino Nano. The spec the Arduino Nano. And then after that, I also touch about the Node MCU, and these are all the pin configuration, and also have the function about the ESP826001. So this ultrasonic sensor also have a connection, the pin out, and the function for the ultrasonic, the behavior of the ultrasonic, and also have a pin configuration, which is with VCC pin power the sensor typically with 5 volt. So basically, the ultrasonic sensor powered by 5 volt only, and this a buzzer, LED, and this a voltage regulator for regulate my voltage from 5 volt to 3.3 volt for not MCU, because the not MCU are use only use 3.3 volt, and then this the resistor. For software development, this is only two, which is the Arduino IDE software. Actually, the Arduino IDE software, I used to program all the function and compile to the Arduino Nano. This Arduino software, which is the Arduino IDE. And lastly, for the IoT, I use a Blink application. So basically, the Blink application have a two platform, which is we can use on iOS and Android. Um, Basically, for Blink application ni, I used to create the widget, which is this the step or all the widget that I will use after this, and I can set the all the function that I need in this project. For example, for this project, I will use the monitoring. So the blink ads can show the water level in animation, so we can know the the real time result on water tank. And lastly, conclusion. Next for hardware part, basically I I still run for ESP module that. So untuk part ni saya discover satu benda baru yang di mana saya perlu untuk memudahkan saya compilekan compilekan coding tu, saya perlu menggunakan ESP Flash and Programmer macam ni untuk saya programkan saya punya .mcu. Because sebelum ni saya telah try connect dengan Arduino Nano dan komputer saya my laptop alert yang error because of I connect dengan Arduino Nano. So one of the solution I need to use this. So for next I will show the progress about this, and I'll try to run the coding for NetMCU, which is I need to compile my second coding on EXP 8266 01. So that's all from me. Thank you.